All right, everybody, welcome to the Best Family Homestead. We're up at the mountain farm, and today we're going to build some pallets to go get some concrete block. So, not really a fun job, but one of them farm chores that's just got to be done. We'll see if Copper survives chasing the cows around.
Yeah, you may regret coming to visit this time. See, there's a nice trip you want to make this pallet. Proper warp's worse than anything I've ever seen. They warp pecan.
Pecan will rainbow in an hour. If it's quarter sawn, it'll rainbow in an hour. If it's not quarter sawn, it will make a wagon wheel in an hour.
Yeah.
What size pallets are you make?
4 by 5.
So
Aaron, if you can get one side, we can just go ahead and slide it on there. You won't have
we're
to turn it
over
red.
here
What?
at a cousin's farm, where my dad had traded a lot of cinder block. So basically what happened was my dad told me, oh yeah, we'll cut a tree and I got a little bit of welding and stuff for you to do. When in fact, he needed like piles and piles of cinder block moved out of the way. That was pretty devious.
That's not gonna move. That's full of something.
So he got me. He got me good.
We were doing cinder blocks till last night.
I'm still going to give him a hard time.
Leave that. We'll get them the other side.
Never fails. Well, that's all the truck will hold anyway, but we still got another couple pallets over there. Maybe we won't have to make another pallet, I'm not sure. Them blocks heavy though. That was heavy. That was heavier than those 2 oak trees.
You think it was?
I know it was. The way the truck was pulling and that thing was smashed, I was like every little bump I was hitting the tire.
We had to move the logs, remember, to get them off the car.
Got them up here. Only a couple more pallets left. I don't know. That's what I was thinking.
At least one more,
maybe one more. We'll be close. And Yaya scammed out of the hard part.
Do what?
I was saying Yaya scammed out of coming back down here. She disappeared.
Body off of that 1 ton down there. I'm going down to, if that guy buys it and I can come up with the $2,000, I'm going down buying a 57 COE cab. Oh. Yeah, put it on that 1 ton chassis. Got to do some narrowing on part of it, but and we put that 57 CO.
Bobby Hugh's worse than I am, way worse. He got on the tractor and started the tractor. So I thought he was right behind me. And as I pulled down the road, I saw him, tractor was off, and he was talking. So I'm waiting on him so he can unload the rest of these blocks. But at least we got all of them up here. And with the blocks, I'll be coming up and down here with him, or coming up here, trying to make it up here once a month for a long weekend to help him out. And instead of this shed we put up a while ago, we are going to take these blocks and dig back into the bank a little bit and lay up a foundation so we can build him a nice garage right here. So he has a place, nice level flat place to tinker on his tractors and whatnot. So if I can get him to stop talking long enough to get some work done, we'll be doing good. He's a sneaky SOB, getting me up here to move block. One chore down. See what else we got to do. All right, everybody. Well, it is getting late and we got all those blocks moved. Wanted to get a little bit more done today, but fall kind of got a hold of me and I just kind of wandered around, walked around the property. So we'll get more done. We got a lot to do. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure and like, subscribe, and share so that you can see all the other crazy projects we've got coming up on the farm over the next few days. And then back to the homestead. Thanks for watching.